Hello everyone, welcome to Adventures Programming. And today we are going to make a Python program to check a number it is composite or not. Okay, so what is composite number? Composite numbers are the number which are not prime. Okay, so we will make a program for prime numbers. Okay, first we will make a program for prime number. What are prime number? Which is divisible by 1 and itself only. Okay, so take a variable n and take it as input and input enter n here. Okay, and here I will take a for loop for I in range to check a number whether it is prime or not. We take the I ranging from 2 to that number upon 2, because the maximum number which can divide which can divide that number is the half of that number. Okay, so I will write here n divided by 2. So we are counting n divided by 2, so I will write here plus 1. I am taking I from 2 because if you take from 1 the value of I, initial value of I, you will take 1, then then that every number will divide by 1, so no number will be prime. That's why I'm taking I from 2 to n upon 2. So here I will add a condition. If n modulus I is equal to 0, means n is divided by some value, then it will not prime. So here I will take a value variable s and initialize it with 0, and inside this if condition I will update this variable by 1. Okay, so outside the for loop I will write and I just break it. You will break or not break, doesn't matter. Okay, so if s is 1, means that number is not prime, because this condition will be true for that value. So if s is 1, then the number is not prime, means hence it is a composite number. So here I will write if s is equal to 1, then we will print n is a composite number, else it's not a composite number. Okay, so let's run the code. First take the value of n to be prime number. So 7 is a prime number, enter. So it's not a composite number. Okay, take 4. 4 is not a prime number, enter. 4 is composite number. 10, 10 is composite number. 11, 11 is prime number, so it will not composite number. It is not composite number. Okay, I hope you understand the question. See you in the next video.